Number 1. Discover the DeWalt 10-inch job site table saw, built for durability and performance. Backed by a 3-year warranty, this powerful saw is ready for your toughest tasks. Witness its precise cutting capability as the blade effortlessly glides through material, ensuring a clean and consistent finish every time. The integrated dust collection system helps maintain a clear work area. Achieve superior accuracy and speed with the rack and pinion telescoping fence system. Easily adjust and lock the fence into place, allowing for quick, micro adjustments and maximum rip capacity. This intuitive design ensures consistent, precise cuts, boosting your productivity. Designed for ultimate job site portability, the integrated rolling stand allows you to quickly fold and transport your saw with minimal effort. This makes setup and breakdown incredibly efficient, saving you valuable time. With the DeWalt DWE7491RS, adjust your blade height and angle with precision using the accessible hand wheel and clear indicators. Customize your cuts for any project, from standard rip cuts to intricate bevels, all with seamless control. This DeWalt table saw is engineered to deliver reliable performance and ultimate convenience for every professional and DIY enthusiast.
Number 2.
The DeWalt DWS780 miter saw with cutline blade positioning system illuminates your precise cut path. Easily bevel left 0 to 48 degrees and right 0 to 3 degrees. Cut crown molding up to 7.5 inches and base molding up to 6 3/4 inches.
Number 3.
Conquer any yard with DeWalt. Our 2x20V Max mower delivers a pristine finish, collecting clippings efficiently. Blast away stubborn grime from your vehicles with the portable DeWalt pressure washer. Precisely trim edges with the DeWalt string trimmer. Cut through demanding logs using the 16-inch DeWalt chainsaw. Clear heavy debris quickly with the DeWalt leaf blower. Safely prune high branches with the DeWalt pole saw. Enjoy the ease of the 2x20V Max self-drive mower. Power your outdoor tasks with the versatile FlexVolt 60V Max system, keeping your 20V Max batteries always ready for action.
Number 4.
Effortlessly drive screws with the powerful DeWalt 20V Max lithium-ion impact driver, ensuring precise and reliable fastening for all your projects. Then, quickly transition to the DeWalt 20V Max drill, making swift and accurate holes in wood. Easily adjust your drill speed with a convenient 2-speed selector, offering versatile power for tasks from 0 to 450 RPM or up to an impressive 1500 RPM. The quick change chuck makes swapping out drill bits simple and secure, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. And for rapid bit changes on your impact driver, its hexagonal chuck allows for instant attachment and a firm, reliable hold. Powering both tools are the long-lasting 20V Max lithium-ion batteries, easily interchangeable and ready for a quick charge to keep you working longer.
Number 5.
For flawless floors, trust the DeWalt 20V Max XR 18-gauge brad nailer. Effortlessly secure planks from light woods to rich, dark finishes. Work through any flooring installation with consistent, powerful performance. Easily adjust depth for precise results on every surface. Then, flawlessly finish baseboards, even in tight corners. The DeWalt brad nailer delivers professional results every time.
Number 6.
Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max lithium-ion brushless reciprocating saw. This compact tool swiftly cuts through PVC pipe within wooden studs. Experience 37% lighter performance, making overhead and tight space applications easier. With an impressive length of only 12.5 inches, its maneuverability allows access to the most confined work areas. Easily swap blades for different materials, ensuring continuous productivity. The reciprocating saw expertly slices through copper piping at a rapid pace, delivering 0 to 2,283 strokes per minute. Next, discover the 20V Max lithium-ion brushless circular saw. Watch it power through a thick wooden board, generating a cascade of sawdust. Enjoy up to 45% more power, outperforming corded 4.5-inch saws based on max watts out using a DCB 205 battery. This compact circular saw delivers consistent, precise, and clean cuts with every pass. Tackle extensive projects with confidence. It cuts up to 369 linear feet of 3/4-inch OSB on a single 5 amp-hour battery. Experience powerful performance that keeps you productive. Now, introducing the 20V Max lithium-ion brushless oscillating multi-tool. This lightweight tool, at only 2.3 pounds, ensures comfortable handling for extended use. Trim flooring perfectly around door frames with exceptional control. Its ultra-compact design, only 11.2 inches in length, grants access to the tightest spots. Power through materials like drywall, creating clean cutouts with speeds up to 18,000 oscillations per minute. An integrated LED light illuminates your work, ensuring accuracy even in low light conditions.
Number 7.
Connect the rugged clamps to your vehicle's battery. Its reverse connection protection ensures a safe hookup every time. The clear digital display conveniently runs an alternator test for you, Then effortlessly start your engine, getting back on the road instantly with the reliable power of DeWalt. And that wraps up our look at some of DeWalt's essential gear for every challenge. We hope you've seen the quality and versatility that makes DeWalt the pro's choice. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these DeWalt tools is already in your kit, or which one are you eyeing next? And if this compilation helped you, please give it a like.